dear students. Today we are going to learn about past tense. Past tense has got four divisions. They are the following. First we have simple past, past continuous, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. So let's begin with simple past. How can we make a sentence in simple past tense? To make a sentence in simple past tense, we need three things. First, we need to have a subject. Then we need to have the second form of the verb, and we need to have an object. For example, if we take the subject as I, if we take the verb called play, and the second form of the verb is played, and we take the object called football. So how do we make a sentence in simple past tense? It goes like this: I played football. Now let's see how to use the word called did in past tense. I think you all know that we have to use did only in the past tense. So how to use the word called did? Did is to be used with all the singular and plural subjects. It includes the subjects like he, she, it, they, I, you and we. The most important thing to be kept in mind is that whenever we use the word called did, we have to use the first form of the verb. For an example, I did not play football. You can see in that particular example, we are using the first form of the verb called play because we have used the word called did. And here you have the other examples. They did not play football. You did not play football. We did not play football. He did not play football. She did not play football. It did not rain yesterday. In all these examples, you can see that we are using the first form of the verb. Now we move on to the next one, that is past continuous tense. Now, how to use a sentence in past continuous tense? To make a sentence in past continuous tense, we need to have the following thing. First, we need to have a subject. We have two different words that are to be used here. First, we have the word called was. Second, we have the word called were. The most important part of past continuous tense is that we always have to use the ing of the verb. The last, we have the object. Now let's see an example. Here we have taken subject as I. We have used the word called was. We have taken the verb called play, and we have added the ing of the verb, and we have taken an object. So how does it go? It goes like this: I was playing football. When we use the past continuous tense, we have to remember two things. The first thing is that how to use the word called was. Second thing, how to use the word called were. Let's learn that. Where to use the word called was? The word called was is used with the singular subjects. And what are the singular subjects? Here we have he, she, it, and we have also the word called I. I can be used only with the word called was. So let's see an example. He is a singular subject, so we are using the word called was. we are using playing because it is the continuous tense. So the example goes like this: he was playing football. The other examples are: she was playing football, it was raining very heavily, and I was playing football. Now we move on to the next word called where. And where do we use it? The word called where is used with all the plural subjects. And what are the plural subjects? Here we have the list: they, you, and we. Let's take an example now. We have the word called they as a plural subject. Since they is a plural subject, we are using the word called where. Since it is a continuous tense, we are using the ing with the verb. So it goes like this: playing. So we have the object called football. So how does it go? It goes like this: they were playing football. The other examples are: we were playing football, you were playing football. Now we move on to the next part, that is past perfect tense. Let's see how we can make a sentence in past perfect tense. To make a sentence in past perfect tense, we need the following things. As we always do, we have the subject first, and we have the word called had. Since we have the word called had, we have to use the third form of the verb, and we need to have an object. So how does it happen? For an example, we take the subject called I, we have to add the word called had, then we take the third form of the verb and we take an object. So it goes like this: I had played football. Now we will see how to use the word called had. The word called had is used with all the singular and plural subjects. And you know what are the singular and plural subjects? The list is here: he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. So how do we use it? The examples are here: he had played football, and you can see the other example: she had played football, it had rained yesterday, I had played football, you had played football, they had played football. The last we have: we had played football. Now we move on to the last part of it, and that is past perfect continuous tense. Now how to make a sentence in past perfect continuous tense. So let's see what are the things necessary for it. The first thing that we have is subject. Since it is past tense, we use a word called had, plus we have the word called been, plus since it is a continuous, we use the ing of the verb, and we have the object. So how do we form the example for it? We take the example called I, we can add the word called had, we have to add the word called been, we have the verb plus the ing of the verb, so it goes like this: playing, and we have the object. So how do we have the example? The example is: I had been playing football. Now, where to use the word called had been? The word called had been is used with all the singular and plural subjects, as we have learned the word called had, and you know what are the singular and plural subjects. The list is given here. We have the word he, she, it, I, you, we, and they. And here we have the examples given: he had been playing football. Take that example. We have the subject called he, we are using the word called had, we are using the word called been, we are using the ing of the verb, and we have the object. So it goes like this: he had been playing football. The other examples are given here. She had been playing football. It had been raining yesterday. I had been playing football. You had been playing football. They had been playing football. And we had been playing football. Now that is the end of a past tense. I hope it is clear for you. So kindly go through the formula of making the sentences and practice by yourself, and kindly prepare at least 5 examples for all the tenses, like 5 examples for simple past tense, 5 examples for past continuous tense, 5 examples for past perfect tense, and 5 examples for past perfect continuous tense. You can go through the formula, you can go through the notes, and I hope it will be useful for you to prepare the notes on tense. So thanks